Yes.
Oh, I see. How about you, dear Rosie? What did you learn today?
I
I learned? Wait. Okay. My dear Rosie, what did you learn at school?
study Vietnamese.
Oh, I see. Wow. My dear Rosie, did you eat your dinner today? Dear Rosie, did you eat your dinner today?
Yes.
Oh, okay. My dear, can you say it again? Yes, I ate dinner today. Again, my dear, can you say this one? Yes, I ate dinner. Good job. Very good, my dear. How about you, dear Anna? What did you eat today?
Yes. I eat dinner today.
What did you eat?
I eat rice, uh, meat, and fish.
Wow, it's so a lot, my dear. Wow. Is it delicious, my dear Anna?
Huh?
Is it delicious?
Yes.
Wow. Why I hear the echo? My dear Anna, I hear the echo of your what happened? What happened?
I and Rosie here.
Can you say it again?
I and Rosie here.
Oh, again, I can't hear.
I and Rosie here.
Oh, I see. That's why. Okay. So, my dear, do you have a homework? My dear Anna? Can you say it again?
Yes, I have.
Oh, may I see your homework?
My homework is math and Vietnamese.
Oh, I see. How about in our class? Do you have a homework?
I I I am doing projects.
I see. But my dear, how about in our class? I'll give you with Lily. the homework. My dear Anna.
Yes.
Oh, so do you have a homework?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please give me your homework, my dear?
Um,
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Again. Oh, B260. Okay, this is your homework, my dear Anna. Did you do it?
yes.
What's that? What is those, my dear? What's those? Oh, sorry. This is not your... Again. Hmm. It's not. Did you remember our homework, my dear Anna?
To 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 homework
Can you say it again?
is to homework.
Wait. This is your homework. You need, okay. Okay, my dear. My dear, this is your homework, dear Anna. This one. What can you do? I can,
I do.
I can.
I can do. I can play the badminton.
Yes, good job, my dear. Very good. How about you, Lily? Hello, Lily. Good evening. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, dear Lily? Oh, I can't hear you, my dear Lily. Can you hear me?
I I do homework.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. What can you do, my dear Lily? This is your homework. What can you do?
My homework
Yes, I can.
in Math.
Wow. Wow, good job, my dear. How about you, dear Anna? What can your mother do? Hmm? Your mic
Mother
can
can cook.
cook for us. Can you say it again, my dear? My mother can cook for us.
My mother can cook for us.
Good job, my dear Anna. How about you, dear Lily? What can your father do?
My father clean the floor.
Wow, good job, my dear. You did a great job with your homework. Okay, my dear Lily, how are you today? How are you, my dear Lily? How are you, my dear Lily?
Yes,
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, wow. How about did you eat your dinner? Hmm? My dear Lily, did you eat your dinner?
Yes,
Okay.
I eat dinner.
Wow. How about what did you eat?
I eat meat and beans.
Wow. Wow, good job. That's right. It's good, my dear. Okay. So, my dear Lily, Rosie, and Anna, are you ready for our class?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, wow, I think so. Okay, so we will continue, my dear, our lesson about the animals. 1, 2, 3 animals. Okay, so we have here the new words. Okay, my dear Lily, what is this?
Giraffe.
Good job. Next, my dear Rosie, what's this?
Giraffe.
My dear Rosie, what's this?
Chicken.
Very good, dear Rosie. Next, dear Anna, what's this?
Elephant.
Very good. Next, my dear Lily, what's this?
Is mouse. Mouse.
Yes, good job, my dear Lily. Okay, next. My dear Rosie, what's this?
Hippo.
Good job. Next, my dear Anna, what's this? Oh, sorry, this one.
Is cow.
I mean this one, my dear Anna.
Snake.
Good job. How about you, dear Lily? What's this?
Is Cow.
Good job. That's right, my dear. Dear Rosie, how about this one? What's this?
How?
Again, my dear Rosie. My dear Rosie, again, what is this? I can't hear you. What's this? Good job. That's right, my dear Rosie. Okay. Next, dear Anna, what's this?
Crocodile.
Very good, my dear Anna. Okay, next, dear Lily, what's this?
Is front.
Again, my dear Lily. What's this? Very good, my dear Lily. Next, dear Rosie, what's this?
Tiger.
Again, what's this?
Tiger.
Good job. Very good, my dear Rosie. Next. Oh, we are finished this one. Okay. So, my dear Rosie, dear Lily and Anna. Okay, sorry. Again, you will going to write the word next to the animals, my dear. Okay. My dear Lily, what is the color of mouse? And the size? And what did they do? Okay, for example, for the chicken, my dear Lily, the chicken is small, brown, and it can walk.
Walk.
Yes, how about the mouse? What is the color of mouse?
Why?
Can you say it again? Can you say it again, my dear Lily?
Mouse color why? Green.
Then, what is the size? Or describe about the mouse?
Red mouse. Usually.
Okay. Okay, my dear. Good job. Is a mouse small? My dear Lily?
Mouse is smart.
Okay, very good. Okay, what color?
And bright.
Okay, good job, my dear Lily. What color is a mouse?
Is color gray.
Very good. Next. What can a chicken do? My dear Lily?
I can do
Chicken can walk.
small.
Very good, my dear Lily. Very good. Next. Oh, sorry. Next, my dear Rosie. What color is the hippo?
Is
What color is a
red.
hippo? Can you say it again?
is color. What?
Okay. Oh, sorry. And then, is a hippo big, my dear Rosie? Is a hippo big? Okay. Next, what can a hippo do?
Is
Hmm? You have to choose here, my dear.
is what?
Okay. Very good, my dear. Good job, dear Rosie. Next, my dear Anna. How about the... Wait. Sorry. Okay, wait, my dear Anna. Okay, the last one, my dear Anna. Okay. Wait. My dear Anna, how about the... Wait. Okay. How about the frog, my dear Anna? What is frog ugly?
Yes.
Okay. Again, my dear, yes. The frog is ugly.
Yes. Frog is ugly.
Good job. What color is a frog?
Frog is green and brown.
Okay, again, my dear, the color of frog is green and brown. Can you say it again?
The color the color frog is green and brown.
Good job, my dear. Very good, dear Anna. You did a great job. Lily, Rosie, and Anna. Okay, we will go to our next okay. So, my dear, what am I? Choose an animal and complete the sentences, my dear. For example, the elephant. You choose the animal's elephants. Okay, for example, I am big and I am gray. I have got 4 legs. I can walk, but I can't fly. What am I? What's that? That is elephant, my dear. Okay. 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 My dear Lily, can you please choose the animals and then you have to say this one. For example, you have to say in your sentence the description about the animals that you choose and the color and their appearance, and you have to say, what am I? Okay, for example, my dear, I choose elephant. So in your sentence, you have to say, I am big and I am gray. I have got
Yeah.
4 legs. I can walk,
Yes.
but I can't fly. What am I? So that is elephant. Okay, can you please give me a sentences, my dear Lily? What animals that you choose? My dear Lily,
Dog.
can you say it again?
Dog.
Again, my dear?
I'm dog
What animal?
Animal is dog.
Dog? You choose dog?
Is the dog.
Okay. Okay, can you please tell me the sentence about the dog?
I'm small and I'm bright. I've got 4 legs. I can walk, but I can't fly.
Yes, good job, my dear Lily. Very good. Okay, how about you, dear Anna? What animals that you want to choose to make a sentence?
Long and small. I'm I've got green. I can I can walk, but I can
I can. Anything, my dear.
long and I'm small. I got I got 4 legs.
Okay, very good, my dear Anna. Good job. Okay, how about you, dear Rosie? Can you please choose the animals that you want? So, and then you have to say this one, my dear. I'm blank, and I'm the color that, my dear. And then I've got, for example, 4 legs. If you choose elephant, I can walk, but I can't fly. What am I? So, my dear, can you please give me a sentence about the animals that you choose? My dear, what animals that do you want to choose?
Forgot.
Hmm? Oh, I think she's left, my dear Anna and Lily. Okay. So, my dear Lily and Anna, you can rejoin again to my Zoom. Okay, my dear Lily and Anna? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, see
Yes.
you.